Intro?
We're live.
Look at how Christmassy we look. Al.
Oh. She's gonna wreck it.
Landen's got a new look. Oh wait. Hello.
Hello.
I'm
Landen.
Christina. This
And
is
she's
Landen.
Christina.
The beautiful and the...
Bearded.
And today we're holiday baking!
Yay!
Yay! Well, let's go right into these suspenders. Should we talk about them?
Well, let's talk about baking first. Christina likes baking. I like Christina. And now the suspenders.
Okay.
My pants are falling down, and so I found these and I put them on.
Does he look like Al Borland or what?
That's the plan.
Okay, so holiday baking. Again, I love Christmas. So I was like, what a fun activity this would be together.
And I was like, I want to sleep tonight, so let's do it.
So we're going to take you through 4 recipes, technically 5 because I kind of snuck in another one. I told Landon, you get 2, I get 2. Mine are just variations of one. What are your 2?
Peanut butter cookies with chocolate drops, and I can't remember.
Bear poop cookies.
Bear poop cookies, yeah.
Bear poop cookies. So I thought we'd start with those. Mine are Oreo chocolate bark and chocolate truffles. So I have 2 variations of the chocolate truffles just because he had peanut butter cookies and I wanted peanut butter cookies, so I went with peanut butter truffles in classic.
Okay.
Okay, bear poop cookies. Are you ready?
I am.
Bear poop. Let's go. Okay. Step 1. Combine sugar, cocoa, butter, and milk in a saucepan. Bring to a boil and add vanilla. This is, by the way, from keyingredients.com, so thank you for us finding this recipe from you. Do you want to combine them in a saucepan, babe?
Sure.
Here's your first batch of bear poo.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Show them. Ooh, yeah, that looks good, eh? Wow, thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now let's just put it off on the deck, maybe.
Yeah, I think that'd be great.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a big one. It's a big poo.
Must have had coffee.
Speaking of coffee, we've got a great coffee from a place called Oso Negro in Nelson, BC. It is called Princess of Darkness, and I will never drink another coffee as long as I live. That is how pleasing it is. It is so good. It is extra dark, but it's not like extra dark bitter. It's extra dark, how would you describe it, babe? Extra dark smooth and rich and literally everything you could want in a coffee. You know that feeling in the morning when you go,
Yeah.
that's what it does. It's
It does.
amazing. Highly recommend. They ship as well. Is this awkward for you?
No, I'm just holding the thing.
What I like about these is that they're easy to bake. Like that was so easy.
Oh yeah. Is this awkward for you? Because it looks like you.
It is. It's just awkward for me.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Done?
Try it. Is it good? Yeah, like lick it. Lick this spoon.
I'm not gonna do that on camera. I don't want to give the viewers the wrong idea.
Try it! Aww. Well, you didn't have to be awkward about it.
Look, it's really good.
And that's it. Those are our little bear poos. How easy. Those are
Okay.
So the oven's heating to 375. This recipe is from BettyCrocker.com. These are your classic peanut butter blossom cookies. We'll link all these below too if you're into Christmas baking. For peanut butter, butter, and egg with an electric mixer on medium speed. Great. Okay, well we'll use this bowl because it only ever had sugar in it. Some oats.
You know what would really make my day? Is if Richard, Stan, Trevor threw us a like and subscribe. You know?
What?
You know what would make my month?
What's that?
If Jeff and Sherry Raff threw us a like and subscribe.
You want to make my day?
What?
Alyssa and Vanessa
Oh, yeah.
shared or said a subscribe. Hit the subscribe. Hit a like. My parents, your parents hit a like.
Yeah. Well,
Christina.
my mom likes everything I do. So does
Honestly though, we read every single one of your comments and we love them. It's so much fun and we appreciate that you're following along on our journey since we're so new at this, and it's nice to see the comments of like, this was better, slightly.
You guys are less awkward this time.
We really like that. Honestly, we do, and we appreciate every single like and subscribe we get. It makes doing this a lot more fun, a lot better.
Wait a second. What's that? Oh!
Oh, is that a bell? Oh, hit that bell, and then our videos will show up. But yeah, we'll be selling new things in the new year, and so that's kind of why we're doing these videos now, is so that like we can get excited about the projects.
Okay, just squish one down in there.
Oh.
Okay, hold it.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, you hold. Just
Hold
put
on,
your
are
hand
you
under
ready?
it. No. Okay, look. Check this out. This is the gold. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's,
Okay.
actually they melt a little too much.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to do that.
I'm doing it.
Cooking with Code Air. Did you get my nose? Oh, crap. These trays back.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so essentially you put anything you want in them, I think. Sprinkle on almost anything that you want. Blah, 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 blah. Do I have a step-by-step? Add your, they say microwave. We don't have a microwave, actually. We are going to double broil the chocolate then. And then we pour the chocolate in the middle of the baking sheet and slowly spread it out. And then we sprinkle on anything we want. So originally I was just going to do Oreos and candy cane. But I think that now that I know it's kind of like free-for-all, part of it I'll do maybe some dried cranberries, almonds, and coconut. So I have a little assortment. But definitely Oreos and definitely candy cane. What do you think of that, babe?
That sounds really good.
Yeah. Okay, so I really like this, so I guess I should have been. We'll chop these first.
There we go. How's that sound on your end? Sound good? you say? Oh, you know what I can use? My favorite little thing.
Yeah, that thing.
Yes.
Oh!
Yes, this is a good one.
Washer and pestle.
Grind it into a fine dust.
Hey, do you want these burger? Sorry about that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next up, we've got 2 truffle recipes. I'm gonna have to play with these next 2 recipes a little bit because I used a lot of chocolate for the chocolate bark and I didn't really count how much I needed for these next 2 recipes. Up next are 2 truffle recipes, one for minimalist baker. I use the recipes all of the time. It's 2 ingredient dark chocolate truffles. We need, so let's see how much chocolate we have. Because I need chocolate for the other one. So then we're also doing peanut butter truffles, which is on elavegan.com or elavegan, another great site for vegan recipes. We're doing peanut butter filling, and then we're going to top them with chocolate. So technically, maybe I'll use this chocolate and cocoa powder and coconut oil for the topping, because I know that makes a nice topping. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna save those. We're gonna chop whatever's left here. You want to chop?
Sure.
Okay, immediately add coconut milk to chocolate and loosely cover. I'm ready. Then don't touch for 5 minutes. Okay. I did this jujitsu. We're gonna take a break. We got some things that need to freeze before we do the next parts, and we're gonna clean up. Landon's done the dishes how many times now?
4. I'll continue to go on this one time.
I really like baking with you. See you soon.
Bye. Never wave at the camera.
Are you getting off?
Should I?
Yeah. Going for a...
Hi, we're back. Oh, here he is with his suspenders.
Okay, I gotta go behind you.
Play. We're back. We had a little bit of a break.
And I adjusted the camera.
Oh, did you? I know I have to bend down a little bit. But cookies are done. Bark is all done. We broke that all up.
Very good.
And now we gotta do the toppings for the truffles because they set long enough. And you know what else we did? We got our sourdough ready so we can make bread, and pizza dough is rising. I should show you that.
1 second. In the meantime, take a look.
Look at, oh, look at how good that looks.
What did you put in it? It smells like herbs.
Yeah,
right?
I put oregano, basil.
Oh And this is no good. The camera angle is no good.
No
That's
good?
okay. We can...
That's okay. We're gonna be time-lapsing anyway. We're gonna be taking these balls of peanut butter, dipping them in chocolate. The chocolate's just going right now. Landen can keep you entertained for now while I stir it.
These have been sitting outside in -17 for a while, so they're nice and... That was probably really loud. Sorry.
You want to package your cookies up?
Well, I don't think I really need to because I'll be gone by this time tomorrow.
No, we gotta give some away.
No, that's not the idea.
I think we do need to. We have cats. So
How's that? Ooh. Now, what do you guys think? Do you think I could fit this entire thing in my mouth?
Did you just throw a whole cookie in your mouth? There they are.
There they are.
The finished product. Tired, hey? This is what we do. I get a blanket, or 7, and then we cuddle.
I kick my feet up.
Yep. Thank you for coming along with us. How is it? Should we taste
Enjoy.
it?
I bet you, let me try
Okay.
this one.
That's so good.
This one's pretty sticky.
They're not set yet, the macarons. You know what? It's funny.
Bear poop.
Bear poo. So they're called bear poos here. That was what you called them. I looked them up and I was like, those are macarons. That's what we called them in Saskatchewan. And but macarons are those like weird French cookies. Whereas like, I don't know what you guys call macarons. I think macarons are like the white coconut cookie.
That's what I thought. Well, I don't know about coconut, but I thought that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What's the flavor like on those?
They're delicious.
So good.
Very chocolatey, very coconut.
We got freeze them, I think, to get them to set.
Yeah, I mean, it'd be nice to bite into it when it's frozen, I think.
Yeah.
Let it kind of melt in your mouth.
What's your trick with bear poop cookies? If you could leave that in the comments, that'd be really awesome.
Also called moose poop.
Moose poop. Bear, S-H-I-T.
Shit.
Oh! Okay, well that was it. We have enjoyed spending the day with you cooking. And next week, I'm thinking, do you think we'll be done by next week?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, the week after this video, we're going to be releasing the arcade cabinet. We're very excited about it, and at some point we'll be selling the plans for that if you wanted to build your own.
Yeah.
If you're crafty, and yeah, so thank you for following along and cooking with us today. What a fun experience.
Thank you very much. These are delicious.
Yeah, you know what? Hold on. Peanut butter.
Careful, Mia.
Oh my gosh.
Is it frozen?
No, but do you want bites?
No.
Okay.
Until next time, stay bearded.
I hate this extra. Stay beautiful. Hey, hey. You get your butt back here, sir. Bye.